Hi guys, welcome to April's Monthly. This is chapter 1, the sound waves of music. The students are ready for their play. Rhett grabs his guitar. He starts to play. How does the guitar make noise? How do you guys think the guitar is going to make the noise when he picks it up? What does it do to make noise? The students watch Rhett play the notes again. The string moves. The students hear a sound. The guitar strings vibrate. A vibration is fast movement. The vibration moves the air. This vibration makes a sound wave. Miss Biss shows the students a spring toy. She pushes one side of the spring toy. The spring toy moves together and apart. This is how a sound wave moves. The sound wave moves to your ear. It makes the eardrum move. The eardrum sends a message to the brain. The brain tells us what sound we hear. A way you can hear the vibrations is if you put your hand on your neck and talk, you can feel the vibrations that your voice makes to create sound. Other things also make sound. Our throat vibrates when we talk. I just talked about this. Sound waves move. They can go through water, walls, or air. Sound waves need to move through something to vibrate. Sound waves go faster through solid things. They travel far through water. When you are far away, sound waves are hard to hear. That's the end of chapter 1, y'all. Go to the module and see what questions you need to answer. Have a great day.